Hey there, are you looking to make some video content for your YouTube channel? Great! In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to make video on YouTube. First things first, let's talk about what kind of content you want to create. The type of content you create will depend on your target audience and the type of video you want to create. Some popular types of content include tutorials, reviews, vlogs, and how-tos. Next, you'll need to choose a camera and a microphone. While a basic smartphone camera can work well for beginners, investing in a better camera will make your videos look more professional. You can also invest in a microphone to record your voice more clearly. When it comes to editing your video, there are many software options available. If you're just starting out, you can use free video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. These programs allow you to edit your video and add effects, music, and other elements. Next, you'll need to create a title and description for your video. This is important because it appears in search results and can help people decide if they're interested in watching your video. Your title should be attention-grabbing and state the topic of your video. Your description should include a brief overview of your video and any keywords that people can use to find it. Now that you have your video ready to go, it's time to promote it. You can share your video on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, or use email marketing to reach a wider audience. You can also join video sharing communities like YouTube and TikTok to increase your visibility. Lastly, don't forget to continue creating quality content and engage with your audience. This will help build a loyal following and encourage people to keep watching your videos. In conclusion, making video on YouTube takes time and effort. But with the right tools and strategies, you can create great content that people will love. So, grab your camera and start creating.